This is a 1911 Ford Model T Touring at the Ford Plant Museum in Detroit. This car was not built in this factory though. Because it was a 1911, it was built at the Highland Park Plant, which opened in October of 1910, and that's where this car was built. But it's exhibited here at the museum. It's in red because all black came later in the production to make it easier. Earlier cars were red, blue, sometimes green, but not black. Here you can see it has the back seat mounted on. So fairly roomy, nice little back seat. We have the front seat, the traditional Model T 3 pedals, with the left pedal being the 2 speeds and neutral, the middle being reverse, and the right one being brake, the hand brake, which could also put you into neutral. And then up here we have, someone added turn signals for safety because it's occasionally driven. And then that is your timing, and on the right is the accelerator. It's a very beautiful car. It has the gas lamps that generates the gas for the lamps, which are these two. And then up here, that just has the liquid down below, and then it will burn up the wick. So 1911 Ford Model T Touring, built in Highland Park.